So my foundation, it's called Fearfully Wonderfully Made. It's a nonprofit. It's based off of the verse, Psalms 139:14. I praise you because I am fearfully, wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. Especially for women, I'm pretty sure we can all agree that society tells us to be one thing, but God created us beautiful and amazing in our own way. So I want you all to know that I support that, and I want to rep that well here with you all.
How I do. Let go of a prayer for you. Just a sweet word. The table is prepared for you.
She's so pretty. She's smiling. Hi.
Wishing you Godspeed, glory. There will be mountains you won't move. Still, I'll always be there for you.
Yeah, it was great meeting you. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Thank you. Yeah, of course. Great meeting you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, there you are. Thank you. Yeah, no problem.
Sometimes, but you'll have this place to call on.